Hi, this is Oren from Oren's Cooking. Tonight I'll be making buttermilk cake, and this is my recipe and I hope you enjoy it. In order to make this cake, we're going to take all-purpose flour. Some people like to sift it. I don't really care. It's all going to go in together. I'm going to add my white sugar, one cup of white sugar. I have unsalted butter, 150 grams. I just melted it. And then I'm adding some eggs, 2 eggs to be precise. Then I'm adding some buttermilk. It's a 1 cup of buttermilk or 160 grams of buttermilk. Now I'm adding about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm adding some baking soda, so about half a teaspoon of baking soda and a spoon of baking powder. And last thing, I'm adding just a pinch of salt, just to even the taste. Now to whisk together, you can use a blender, electrical blender or whatever you want. I just like to use my hands and I just mix it together till it's all combined. Now this is all ready, and the way I know it is if it's too lumpy, you'll notice there's still a lot of lumps on the middle. And for me, I think this is all ready and set up. So all I'm doing is I'm putting it into my cake container. There's a bit of the flour on the bottom. Just mix it up as you go. And then cook it at 180 degrees or 360 Fahrenheit for an hour. I do it for 80 minutes, but an hour sometimes works well. Depends on your oven. So do it for an hour, check it then. If not, do it for another 20 minutes. Alright, now that my cake is done, I am just gonna do the topping part of it. Alright, so we're gonna start with my cream. This is 1 cup of cream. This is lactose free, but you can use any thickened cream that you'd like. Next, we're gonna take our icing sugar. We're gonna take 3 spoons of icing sugar. And I'm adding 1 spoon of milk powder. And last thing I'm adding is about a teaspoon of vanilla to it. I'm going to use my hand mixer at about medium. And I'm going to just mix it all up. Now you don't want your cream to go hard. So you just do it till you feel that it's not so watery anymore. You'll notice it once you do it. You can take pulses and you can stop it for a little bit and get the edges, like I do. I just get the edges, I scrape the edges, and then we continue. Now that my cream topping is done, I notice that it looks ready. I'm just going to pour it on top of the cake. I check all about it. There are nothing distracted. We found you this time. Keep it up. To call it more but I think. I'll just put it in the fridge for about an hour to a whole day. And the longer you put it in the fridge, the better it will be for you to settle. And then it will be ready to eat.